Welcome back to Moonshots Daily. Today we're going to be talking about Nova Bot versus Photon. We're going to be comparing the two in detail, seeing which one is better, pros and cons of each. At the end, I might be giving my own opinion on which one I think is personally better. But we're going to be giving a full rundown, so hopefully you guys will be able to make your own decision about which one you think is better in the long run for your particular use case or situation. But yeah, make sure you watch the end of the video to get the full details and everything. Okay, so the first pro of using Nova Bot versus Photon will actually be the sniper feature. Now, this lets you snipe tokens while they are graduating. So I'm talking about, when a token is here on the about to graduate tab, and when its market cap has reached that bonding curve, it will migrate from about to graduate, and you will be able to snipe this token using the Nova Telegram bot. Now, this can be done either through the Telegram bot, through the sniper module, as you see here. As you can see here, it lets you snipe pump from migrating tokens and new radium pools. So you can set a task to snipe a particular token here on the about to graduate tab while it's migrating. Now, as well as that, there is also you can also snipe directly through Memescope on Photon using the Nova Click extension, which is basically just like a way of, buying tokens directly through, Photon, but not through Photon, but through Nova Bot, but without having to switch your interface. So you can keep the same Photon interface and still be able to have the benefits of Nova Bot. You'll still be able to have like quicker, faster processing times, etc. Be able to use new features such as the sniper bot using Nova Click with Photon. So Nova Click is just like an extension that you can install. It's super easy to install. So to install Nova Click, all you need to do is go over here to Nova Click, go over here to where you see that download button where it says download Nova Click, download, open it, install the extension. Once the extension is installed, after that you want to go over to a site called click.trade on nova.io, and you see this little Telegram icon here that says connect. Click on this button and this will open up this interface. Click open to open up in Telegram, and basically what this will do is load up this Nova Click like tab. So click launch Nova Click, open, and success. You have now connected your Nova Click extension directly to your Nova Bot. So that is exactly how you can gain the features of Nova Click. It's got a ton of other features as well. For example, you can actually buy tokens directly through here. It's not just got the quick buy module, as you can see here. It's got a ton of other features. So while you're graphing out, you can also be using Nova Click to buy tokens as well, which is super helpful. So as well as that, we also have the super useful copy trade feature. Now, if you are able to find profitable wallets that you're sure are not farming their copy traders, you can actually set up a task to copy trade these wallets. So this is another super useful feature. You just enter the address of the wallet you want to copy trade, and then from there you can set it up. It's super easy to do. It's another useful feature if, for example, let's say you don't want to directly trade, you just want to copy somebody else's trade and make money like that. You can obviously do that through Nova Click. It's getting harder and harder to do that because it's easier and easier to find profitable wallets now. If you're able to find one that not too many people have, and it's also not farming its copy traders, this copy trading feature can be super useful at helping you make more money. And this is also a feature that is not included in Photon. So yeah, this is another good useful feature of using Nova Bot. So as well as that, we also have the AFK and auto buy features as well in Nova Bot. So these are other two features that are super useful as well to help you trade. So with Nova AFK, you can automatically buy into new pump fund and radium tokens as soon as they launch based on your filters. This is really easy to use as well. So if you just want to snipe every new pump fund, for example, you can easily do it from here with Nova Bot. And this is like a feature that's sometimes only seen by custom bots or people like bots that cost thousands and thousands of dollars basically. So this is a useful feature because it just shows like the expertise that the people behind Nova have to build so many features out and in such a short amount of time. So yeah, it's really good to see. And we've also got the auto buy feature. This will automatically buy a token when you paste in the buy any token you paste based on your rules. So if you paste in, like a contract address or something, it will automatically buy that token based on the rules that have been set. You can add the rules, etc., like this. And yeah, it's super easy to use as well. So a ton of new features coming from Nova that aren't on Photon. As well as that, Nova Click is proven to be the fastest trading bot out there right now. So if you want to be able to execute snipes and buys quicker than anybody else in the meme coin space, you need to be using Nova Bot. Like I said, it's just a better built bot. So you can use the same priority fee, etc., and get faster fill times just because you're using Nova Bot, just because it has faster execution speeds and it's not lagging behind like BULLX is, for example. Now, Photon, in this case, Photon is reliable. I know a lot of people use it because it's reliable and it's quick and it just feels smooth to use. But like I said, you're still going to get faster fill times on Nova Bot. Like I said, proven time and time again to be the fastest bot. So I'll definitely recommend using Nova Bot with Photon Meme Scope for sure. And as well as this, lastly, we're going to be talking about the Nova Click extension as well. I've already shown you how to install it as well. But like I said, this is super useful, letting you still be able to access the same interface within Nova. Within Photon using Nova Click, so you can still use that same Photon interface that you're used to, while being able to access the benefits of Nova Bot directly with Nova Click. So yeah, this extension, like I said, we showed you at the start how to install it. Super useful extension, and I'll definitely recommend you add it, whether or not you're using Nova Bot or not. Definitely recommend you add it, so at least if you ever think, okay, I want to get a snipe through and about to graduate, just hit that snipe button with Nova Bot. That's a feature that Photon doesn't have, for example, and that snipe will go directly through the Nova Telegram bot, so super easy to use. Now, there are two major cons of using Nova Bot over Photon Meme Scope, and this is we're talking if you're not using Nova Click primarily as your as your interface to trade with Nova Bot. So yeah, so of course there's no meme scope. Nova Bot is a Telegram trading bot. It does not have a meme scope filter. You are not able to view, newly created, about to graduated pairs, for example. This isn't a Photon. This isn't a feature that's in Nova Bot. But like I said, with Nova Click, you are able to actually still buy and access those tokens using the same Photon meme scope interface. So you can still buy tokens directly through meme scope with the quick buy buttons here for Nova Click. Like, nothing really changes at the end of the day as long as you have that Nova Click extension installed, and you're still able to have that edge with the ability to snipe, for example. And like I said, also you don't have the ability to view charts. But I think most people use like Dex to view charts anyway, and even if you are using Photon, you're still able to trade directly through Nova using the Nova Click buttons here. So yeah, like most of the cons can be fixed directly through Nova Click. But overall, of course, it's up to you whether or not you want to use Photon or Nova Bot or Photon with Nova Click. It's entirely up to you. Personally, in my opinion, what I would recommend is that you use Photon with Nova Click. That's how you're able to maximize the amount of features that you can get. You can still use Photon quick buys if you want. You can still use Nova quick buys if you want. By using Nova Click, you're able to get the most features possible and still be able to access the same interface. So it's super easy to use, for example. But yeah, I would definitely recommend Nova Click with Photon. That would probably be my top choice. You can get the pros of both without having any cons. Now, so I hope you enjoyed this video, of course. Nova Bot, the link to get Nova Bot if you don't have it already is in the description. And to install Nova Click as well, we showed you at the start of the video how to do that. Also, make sure you check out Discord and our Telegram. And yeah, have a great day and peace out.